20 useful English words about food and drinks. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll review 20 useful English words about food and drinks. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Food, rice, rice, rice. Rice is white and soft. I eat rice every day. What do I eat every day? Rice. Bread. 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 Bread is brown and warm. I eat bread for breakfast. When do I eat bread? For breakfast. Meat. 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 Meat is red and tasty. He eats meat for dinner. What does he eat for dinner? Meat. Fish. Fish, fish, fish is fresh and healthy. We eat fish on Sunday. When do we eat fish? On Sunday. Egg. 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 An egg is small and round. I cook an egg in the morning. When do I cook an egg? In the morning. Cheese. 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 Cheese is yellow and soft. She likes cheese sandwiches. What sandwiches does she like? Cheese sandwiches. Butter, butter, butter. Butter is yellow and creamy. I put butter on my bread. What do I put on my bread? Butter. Soup. 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 Soup is hot and delicious. He drinks soup for lunch. What does he drink for lunch? Soup. Salad. 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 Salad is green and fresh. We eat salad with dinner. When do we eat salad? With dinner. Noodles, noodles, noodles. Noodles are long and soft. She cooks noodles for lunch. What does she cook for lunch? Noodles. Food and drinks. Review. Juice. 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 Juice is sweet and cold. I drink orange juice. What juice do I drink? Orange juice. Beer. 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 Beer is yellow and bubbly. They drink beer at the party. What do they drink at the party? Beer. Wine. 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 Wine is red or white and smooth. She has a glass of wine. What does she have? A glass of wine. Soup. 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 Soup is hot and tasty. I eat soup on cold days. When do I eat soup? On cold days. Salad. 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 Salad is fresh and light. He makes a vegetable salad. What salad does he make? A vegetable salad. Cheese. 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 Cheese is soft and creamy. We put cheese on pizza. What do we put on pizza? Cheese. Butter, butter, butter. Butter is smooth and yellow. I spread butter on toast. What do I spread on toast? Butter. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar is white and sweet. She adds sugar to her coffee. What does she add to her coffee? Sugar. Salt, salt, salt. Salt is white and salty. He puts salt on his eggs. What does he put on his eggs? Salt. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Pepper is black and spicy. I add pepper to the soup. What do I add to the soup? Pepper. Excellent job. You reviewed 20 common English words about food and drinks. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.